Errors lang, pumaproblema rito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army.
Even for Smart Maynila, ating errors from them, talaga nabubuhay ang Army.
Now Charo Soriano once again. Balse, Salak, Carolino. Here's Rubina, quick set again to Cassini. Another great dig by Angela Nunag. Michelle Carolino, Cotro ang digs it up. They go to Eliza. Nice block by Salak. Kept alive. Eliza gets it across. Salak attacking. Ruby attacking. Napalakas. Setter versus setter yun, ha?
Ang lakas ng palo na.
That's right. Tandaan natin that Salak and De Leon were teammates on the national team in 2005 when they won the bronze medal in the Southeast Asian Games. Salak. Potruang, Ruby, Eliza on the run. Kept alive by Carolino, not anymore.
3 men down for Army.
That's right. 16-13, 13 ang Smart Maynilad.
May bala pa kami sa laban.
Balikan po natin action dito po sa Shakey's Vili. Game number 1 of the semifinals between Smart Maynilad and the Philippine Army. Noel Zarate pa rin po kasama si Michelle Gumabaw at si Bianca Saldua. And a great block by Michelle Carolino.
Fast set by Ruby De Leon. Hindi nabasa ng teammate niya. Nagkamali sila doon.
And now Jack Alarca. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Alarca. Those powerful serves once again. Cotruang. Here's Salak ngayon. Quick set to Ging Balse. At si Ging Balse gets her first point of the game.
Medyo bitin ang mga sineset ni Ruby De Leon for the start of the first set ngayon. Well,
inibilang natin kanino sino yung mga MVP rito. Sa Army, Ging Balse, nandyan na rin si Michelle Carolino, nandyan na rin si Nene Bautista who's on the bench right now. Finals MVP, nandyan si Rachel Landakis. Here's Nunag ngayon, going over to Michelle Carolino off the block. Eliza keeping it alive. Here is Cotruang. Nice angle by Cotruang. Buhay pa rin siya. And Cotruang is able to get that one down. Pumampas na si Cotruang sa poste. Cotruang, of course, from Nakor Ratchasima in Thailand. Kung saan po ginanap yung AVC Championship. Kung saan lumaban yung Power Pinays natin. And Cassini is able to get that off the hands of Balse. So 18-15, para naman sa kabila, mga MVP nila, League MVP, Cassini, Roses. Finals MVP, Jem Ferrer and Ruby De Leon.
Yes.
Dalawang setter pa yun ang Finals MVP. Oh, Gonzaga making a case for MVP herself. And Cassini gets it through. Ba't nakilala ka ron? Nakalaban nyo na CPU before.
Oo, every time na pumunta kami Unigames sa Iloilo, ang alam ko, doon naganap ang Unigames when we went there. CPU.
So yan.
Malaking university yan eh.
Yes. 19-16. Salak. Gonzaga. Gusto yata ni Gonzaga. Pinag-uusapan natin yung eskwelahan niya. Tapos si Gonzaga mag-serve. Going. Ruby. Cotruang. Yes. Simple-simple na lang yun.
Cut shot.
Oo.
Alam talaga niya kung saan walang tao. Sa setter pa niya binigay. Siyempre, pag setter, ready ka na mag-set eh.
Well, ito nga. Yung cut shot naman yan. Dami rin pectus. Floater of a serve. Salak ngayon. Going to Dakis. Dakis off the block. Cotruang kept it alive. Going. Keeps it alive. At si Suroses tinawid. Uy! Munti ka na madouble yun. And here's Ruby. Going to Eliza. Off the block and that's still in. Si Coach Roger tumayo. Ba't hindi tinawag yung double? Kasi pinapagalitan si Roger Gorayan.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo naman, coach yan eh.
Palitan tayo sa open spiker position dito. Michelle Carolino sits down and Joanne Bunag, who's coming off the bench for, I believe, the first time in her Shakey's V-League career. Today.
Hindi ko makakalimutan si Joanne Bunag, Noel. Nakalaban ko yan.
Atras pa parati yung tira mo dyan.
Nakalaban ko sa isang parang inter-village barangay.
Talaga ha?
Oo, nagulat ako. Lagi kami na nanalo dun. Siyempre, kakakampi ko yung mga sisters ko. One time, nag-import yung kalaban namin ng dalawang player. Iratay tsaka si Bunag. Talo kami na sakit sa puso ko nun.
Dalawa ba naman taga-national team dati kinuha eh. Here's Ruby De Leon. Back row ngayon. Cotruang. Turn back by Alarca. De Leon going to Valdez. Valdez off the block. Kept alive by Gonzaga. This will go to Dakis. And Dakis sends it to Roses. Running attack. Charo. Salak now. Going to Dakis again. Dug up by Cotruang. Another long rally. Eliza. Nice block there by Alarca. Cotruang. Tinawid. Salak. Hinulog. Pagsakan lahat ng mga taga-Smart Maynila. Lalabas na naman itong ni Roses. Salak. Dakis. Yes! Again, unmarked. Rachel Dakis. Paano mo hindi mablangka? Ito si Rachel Dakis.
Well, ang blocker niya ngayon, Noel, is Ruby De Leon. Kaya wala siyang ibang pupuntahan talaga kundi Zone 1.
Chara Soriano checks out. Papasok muna ito si Nika Guliman.
As I said kaya, Noel, itong bagong guest player ng Smart Maynila, ang galing talaga niya pagdating sa digging.
Right.
As you can see, para siyang pangalawang libero sa likod.
Nandiyan dito namin si Phil Kainglet. Kaya kumuha sila ng clone ni Phil Kainglet. Quick attack here coming from Jack Alarca. Going, keeping it alive. Here's Eliza Valdez. Bunag. Salak. Dakis again. And Dakis will go long. And check ball ang may tatawag. Kanino? Kay Ruby? Salak. Tinawid. De Leon. Valdez. Off the block. Bunag. Alarca has to set this up for Dakis. Dakis blocked there. Single block lang si Ruby. Salak, quick set to Alarca. Kept alive by Going. Here is Valdez off the block. Buhay pa rin ito. Dakis umatake pa rin. Going. Cotruang. Eliza galing sa likod. Salak ngayon to Dakis. And the shot by Dakis is turned back by De Leon pero lumabas. Bakit mo wala kasama si De Leon mag-block?
Yun nga, sabihin ko sa'yo naman as ikaw ang katabi ni De Leon, now it's Guliman, hindi mo pwedeng iiwanan si Ruby De Leon mag-block kay Rachel Dakis.
Ayun na nga eh. Pero that time, na-blanka niya one time. Pero yung sunod, lumabas na. Tied at 21.
At least nahawakan niya.
Right. Here's Eliza. Yeah, it's a great, smart move there by Eliza Valdez. So Eliza will serve. Oh, no daw. Magtatanong na si Ruby. Kasi sabi ni Cassini, hindi daw dapat si Eliza mag-serve. Hindi ko alam kung ano mas nakaka-tense. Katabi mo ko ikaw si Roger Goraev. Katabi mo si Cassini o nasa loob si Cassini. Parang coach na rin si Cassini eh. So it is De Leon who's serving and mintis naman ang kanya serve. So after all that drama, tabla ating laban.
You don't want to be at this position.
Pati yung Army nagtatanong kung sino magsaserve. Pwede magtanong sa mga table officials kung sino. Ay, hindi na ba? No na. I explained daw sa akin ni Coach Mac mamaya. And Valdez hits into the net. 23-20. Pero dapat naman talaga eh. You should know your rotation.
Tama. Sa team namin talaga may sumusunod ng rotation. Kaya never kami talaga nawawala ng ganyan.
There has to also be a player inside the court na magsabi, oy, ikaw dito ka dapat. Valdez on the push. Balse is there. Salak attacks. Going. Digs it up. Backset ngayon. Roses. Daga by Balse. Salak ngayon. Going to Bunag. Bunag lusot pero nadig naman ni Eliza Valdez. Salak. Quick set. Alarca. Blocked there by Guliman and Guliman scores. Guliman. Nunag. Salak drops it. Good dig there by Cotruang. Valdez. Salak ngayon across. Bunag. Oh, and that block by Cassini goes out. So set point now for Army. Sila pa nauna. Tina Salak. Sabi ni Going.
Line for Smart, Noel.
Sabi ni Going, akin na yung bola. Binigay nga. Here's Ruby. Combination for Cassini. Lusot. Salak. Third ball is a free ball. Ruby, quick set to Cassini. One more time around. Ruby, quick set again to Cassini. Hinulog na niya. Hindi na inawakan ni Cassini yun. That was what you call a set pass.
Only Robbie De Leon. Noel.
Here's De Leon running attack. Cassini off the hands of Bunag. Tied at 25.
Yes, guys. First set pa lang ito ng laban natin for tonight.
Tapos yung first time nagkita pa sila, parating 5 sets. Haba nito. Good serve there by Roses. Sala, quick set, Balse, blocked there by Cassini. Cassini attacks into the face of Bunag. Still alive, here's Gonzaga. De Leon, Cotruang. And Cotruang will give Smart Maynila their first set point.
Too much power on
Yung ulo ni Cotruang dun eh. Roses serving for the set. Gonzaga, dug up there by Valdez. Roses, going, free ball. Salak ngayon, across, Joan Bunag. Cassini now, going to Cotruang. Cotruang turned back by Gonzaga, nobody there. Tied at 26, now a race to 28. Going, running attack, Cassini, and the block by Dakis hits the antenna. Tumama kay Dakis. Hindi ko alam kung nirereklamo ni Shell. It looks like Lumer Parilla made the right call.
Siya makakita nun eh.
Oh, nasa harapan niya nangyari. Nice serve there by Cassini. Here's Salak ngayon, going over to Dakis. De Leon. Eliza. Nice drop by Eliza, and that will do it. Smart Maynilad po nakuha yung first set in extended fashion. 28-26. Eliza Valdez, ang daming pinuntos dun sa ating first set. At titignan natin sa ating shaky-shaking play. Out of nowhere comes the phenom from Batangas. Getting it done para sa Smart Maynilad.